I have my wood stove loaded, and I'm just going to push a little opening where I'm going to push in that steel wool. Then I'll just pile the kindling all around it. Then I'll just start touching the 9-volt battery to the steel wool in a couple of different places, and lo and behold, it starts to burn and oxidize. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, I didn't actually think you could start a fire with a 9-volt battery and some steel wool, but you actually can. I'll put a link in the description to everything that I used, but I used an Energizer Max 9-volt battery. I used steel wool, and this is grade 0000. The finer the grade of steel wool, the more surface area there is around it, and you'll have a better chance at starting a fire. One of the things you'll notice in the video is that the steel wool really started to accelerate oxidizing or burning when I started blowing on it. So that's a good trick to keep in mind if you're trying to start a fire with a 9-volt battery and steel wool. Put that battery on it to get it to starting to oxidize, and then blow on it to really start to get the oxidation to take place faster. Once it gets hot enough, you'll see your kindling burst into flames. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.